Imagine how you currently manage your daily expenses using traditional methods. You write down every income and expense in a thick notebook or painstakingly type each figure into Excel. At first, you think it's manageable, but by the end of the month, you find yourself calculating columns of data, cross-checking every transaction, and one small mistake has you flipping through all your records to find the error. Exhausting, isn't it? That's not all. You have no way of knowing immediately if you've exceeded your budget. Reports, analyzing spending trends, that's nearly impossible with manual methods. But that's the story of yesterday. Today, I'm introducing you to a completely new way to manage your expenses using AI technology. Faster, smarter, and most importantly, no coding required. This system will help you automatically record, analyze, and store data. No more headaches from endless numbers. You'll save hours every month, always stay in control of your finances, and even visualize your data using Google Data Studio. You'll be able to track spending trends, budget performance, and detailed analysis with dynamic charts effortlessly. Ready to dive in? Let's explore step by step. Before we jump into the steps, let me give you a quick overview of how this entire model works. This system leverages Telegram's API to receive input from users. You will input your daily expense or income information directly through Telegram. The data is then processed by Google's Gemini AI to validate and extract key details. Once validated, the data is stored in Google Sheets for record keeping. But that's not all. You will also receive instant feedback on Telegram, letting you know if your input was valid or if there were any errors. Later, we can use the stored expense and income data from Google Sheets to create an interactive dashboard in Google Data Studio. This allows you to visualize your financial data with dynamic charts, making it easier to track trends and budget performance in real time. Now that you understand the big picture, let's break it down into actionable steps. First, let's create a bot on Telegram. We chose Telegram's API because it is free, widely used, easy to integrate, and provides real-time cross-platform support. It's the perfect foundation for our expense tracking system. First things first, grab your phone or computer, open Telegram, and search for BotFather. Look for the one with the blue check mark. Next up, once you've found BotFather, just send the command /newbot. It's like asking it to create a new assistant just for you. Finally, BotFather will give you an API token, a special key. Think of it like your bot's ID card. Keep it safe because you'll need it to connect everything later. Next, we'll connect the bot to the Make.com automation platform. But first, let me explain why we're using Make.com for this project. Make.com is an automation platform that connects apps and services without coding. It's user-friendly with a drag-and-drop interface and supports real-time automation. It integrates seamlessly with Telegram, Google Sheets, and AI platforms. You can start with a free plan, with paid options from around $9 per month. For more details, I've included a link to Make.com in the description below. These features make it the perfect platform for our expense tracker. Once you're logged into Make.com, start by selecting Create a New Scenario. In the search bar, look for Telegram and choose the Watch Updates module. This is where you'll need the API token you got earlier from Telegram. Next, add a webhook. Think of it as a tool that listens for incoming data. Give your webhook a name, for example, Expense Manager. After naming it, paste your API token into the appropriate field and click Save. This connects your bot and prepares it to handle messages instantly. Next, let's connect with Gemini AI to process messages from Telegram. First, in Make.com, create a new module by clicking Add Another Module. In the search bar, type Gemini and select the Create a Completion option. This is the part where the AI will generate responses based on your input. Next, you'll need the API key from Gemini AI to activate this module. Visit the Gemini website, sign into your account, and navigate to the API section. Here you'll find an option labeled Create API Key. Click on it to generate a unique key for your bot integration. Once you have the API key, return to Make.com, paste the key into the required field in the module. Now comes a crucial step that will determine the effectiveness of the entire system. Once you input the API key, you'll need to choose the processing model. I usually go with the latest Gemini AI model to ensure the best performance. After that, head to the message section and set up your prompt. Think of the prompt as the AI's instructions. It tells the system exactly how to handle the incoming data. Here's the prompt I created, which you can also find in the description. You are an AI that extracts content from user messages. Extract the amount, transaction type, and description. Return income if the amount in the message starts with a plus sign, e.g., plus 1,000. Otherwise, return expense. The user may also send a message like DACE 1000 to specify an expense transaction. Respond in JSON format. Back to make.com. In the message section, first select role and set it to model. Then click Add Item, choose text, and paste the prompt you created earlier into the field. After that, you'll add another message. This time, set the role to user. Choose text again, but instead of creating a new input, select the message that was sent from Telegram. This step ensures that the AI receives and processes user messages correctly. Now let's test if the model is working as expected. We'll create another module in make.com to send the AI's processed response back to Telegram. Add a module for Telegram and configure it to send a message. Use the output from the AI module as the content of the message. Once you trigger a test message, the bot should process it, and the result will appear on Telegram. If you see the output as expected, congratulations, the system is functioning correctly. We need to extract the data and record it in Google Sheets with each piece of information in its own column. To do this, we'll use a JSON module in make.com. Start by adding a new module and selecting Parse JSON. Click Generate, then insert the JSON sample structure you created earlier with Gemini AI. In the JSON string field, link it to the result field from the Gemini AI module. After parsing, it's time to set up your Google Sheet. Create a new spreadsheet with a name of your choice and define 5 columns: cat, type, note, amount, and timestamp. The first 4 columns will hold the AI's output, and the last column will store the current date and time. Now, go back to make.com, add a Google Sheets module, and select Add a Row. Connect it to the worksheet you just created. Finally, map each column in the Google Sheet to the corresponding data fields extracted from the JSON module. Once this is done, your bot will automatically log each transaction in your sheet. Let's test the setup by sending a message from Telegram to see if everything works without errors. If the data appears as expected, congratulations. Your model is now successfully operational, but we're not done yet. To enhance the user experience, we'll configure the bot to automatically reply on Telegram, confirming that the data has been saved successfully. To do this, go back to make.com and add another Telegram module. Set it to send a message, and customize the message to say something like, "Your data has been saved successfully." This feedback ensures users know their input was processed correctly. We'll add a router to ensure data accuracy before saving it to Google Sheets. The router will act as a checkpoint. If the input data is valid, it will be sent to Google Sheets. If not, a warning message will be sent back to you on Telegram. Start by adding a router in make.com. Connect the output of the AI processing module to the router. Create 2 branches, one for valid data and one for invalid data. For the valid data branch, connect it to the Add a Row module in Google Sheets. For the invalid branch, add a Send a Message module for Telegram, customizing the message to notify users of input errors. In the final test phase, I tried sending 2 messages, one valid and invalid. The valid message was processed correctly and logged into Google Sheets as expected. The invalid message, however, triggered the Telegram bot to send a warning notification, indicating an error in the data input. This confirms that the router setup and validation checks are functioning perfectly. Now that we've successfully gathered data in Google Sheets, the next step is to connect and visualize this data using Google Data Studio. With Data Studio, you can create dynamic dashboards to track your spending trends, budgets, and more. However, due to time constraints, I'll cover this part in a separate video. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.